Hey everyone, and welcome back. Today we're diving into something truly exciting. For anyone who loves adventure and pushing boundaries, the 2026 Can-Am Maverick X3. Imagine this, you're standing at the edge of the unknown. The sun warming your face, and a machine built for pure exhilaration is waiting. That's the feeling the Maverick X3 evokes. It's not just a vehicle. It's an invitation to explore, to conquer, and to experience the world in a way that most only dream of. What makes the 2026 model so special? Can-Am has a reputation for innovation, and the Maverick X3 is their flagship for off-road performance. This isn't about simply getting from point A to point B. It's about the journey, the thrill of the ride, and the confidence that comes with knowing you're in control of a machine engineered for the toughest terrains. Think about the power. The Maverick X3 is renowned for its potent engine, delivering an adrenaline rush that's both exhilarating and controllable. Whether you're navigating rocky trails, blasting through open desert, or tackling challenging inclines, the responsiveness and sheer force are designed to inspire awe. It's about feeling connected to the machine and the environment, a partnership forged in performance. But it's not just about raw power. Can-Am has meticulously crafted the Maverick X3 for an unparalleled riding experience. The suspension system is a marvel of engineering, absorbing bumps and impacts with remarkable grace. This means you can push harder, go further, and enjoy every moment without being rattled. It's about comfort that doesn't compromise capability, allowing you to focus on the sheer joy of the ride. The design itself speaks volumes. It's aggressive, aerodynamic, and built with purpose. Every line, every curve is a testament to its off-road prowess. The cockpit is designed with the driver in mind, offering intuitive controls and excellent visibility, so you can stay focused on the path ahead. It's a space where technology meets ruggedness. Safety is, of course, paramount. Can-Am integrates advanced safety features to ensure peace of mind, allowing you to fully immerse yourself in the adventure. This commitment to rider well-being is a cornerstone of their philosophy, ensuring that the thrill of exploration is always balanced with responsible design. The 2026 Maverick X3 represents the pinnacle of off-road capability, a testament to Can-Am's dedication to pushing the limits of what's possible. It's for the adventurers, the thrill seekers, and anyone who believes that life is best lived with the wind in their hair and the horizon in their sights. It's about creating memories, forging friendships, and discovering parts of yourself you never knew existed, all powered by a machine that's as ready for adventure as you are. So don't forget to subscribe and share.